Ever wondered how to grow long, thick, full and healthy hair naturally? In this video, I will share the secret that helped me achieve healthy, full and thick hair in no long time. At the end of this video, you'll be able to tell the reason your hair stopped growing. You'll be able to identify the reason, the cost of your hair breakage, why your hair doesn't grow, why you don't have that long, full and thick hair at the end of this video. Okay, all you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Please make sure you also like this video. Okay, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Amaka. Okay, so guys, this is the natural DIY juice, the natural most effective remedy that I prepared. Okay, so I've already posted the video. Check out the video so that you know how to prepare this. This is very effective. Like, this is fine. Okay, so I told you guys in that video to wait for 3 days before you extract the juice. Okay, but I waited for 4 days. Okay, this is after 4 days of this preparation. So after 4 days I prepared this. Go ahead and extract the juice. Okay, go ahead, extract the gel. Get something. You can use a mix, you can use sieve, you can use a recap. So if you know anything that is okay, that is safe for you to use and extract, use it and extract the gel. Okay, extract the juice. So this is me using my mix to extract the juice. So I was like, guys, what is happening? I'm just passing the rest. Can you imagine? No. Please, if you want to extract your juice, make sure you use a bowl. Use a bowl. Do not use something that is little. Okay, yeah, I used a glass cup. This is very, should I say wrong? Please do not use something that is small. Okay, so that you don't cause the mess. If not, you're going to litter everything on your table. So please make sure you use something that is big so that you'll extract the juice easily, and it will also extract very well. You don't have to waste any. Okay, so this is me extracting the juice. I just raising it to make sure I extract everything. So make sure you extract everything. Okay, so these are some of the benefits of this remedy when it comes to growing your hair. Okay, it will help to stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicle activity and encourage hair growth. Okay, because this contains vitamins, it contains minerals and fibers. Okay, it is very good when it comes to growing your hair because it also has the ability to limit hair inflammation. So you know, all this hair breakage, your hair is always breaking, you have dandruff, it will help to reduce dandruff and also stop your hair breakage. Okay, it will prevent hair loss and promote hair growth because it contains a lot of good properties in it. Okay, it is very good for longer, stronger and healthier hair. If you want that beautiful full hair, make sure you try out this recipe. Like I said, I've posted a video of this already, so check out that video so that we know how this is prepared. Okay, so one of the reason your hair doesn't grow is because you don't use a good natural product on it. There is no way you want that full long beautiful hair and you don't use a natural good product on them. Yes, let me tell you, there is a time, that is how your hair will get to, like that is how it will get to, then your hair will stop growing. It's not because hair stops growing, but it's because you don't take care of your hair. Okay, so one of the reasons your hair doesn't grow is because you don't use good DIY products, you don't use good recipes, good remedies, you don't use good remedies on your hair. Okay, so if you want that full thick dark beautiful hair, make sure you start using good DIY product. You know, all these natural products, make sure you start using them. Okay, they are very effective. They will help when it comes to growing the edges of your hair, your hairlines, when it comes to stopping hair breakage, you know, your hair loss. They will reduce dandruff. If you have hair issues, they will reduce it. So make sure you start applying natural product on your hair. Okay, so like I always say in my video, please, before you start combing your hair, make sure you apply water. Yes, let water be the first thing you should go for. Water will help to moisturize your hair, okay, so that your hair will not break a lot. Because why your hair doesn't grow, another reason your hair doesn't grow is because your hair is always breaking. If you want that healthy hair, you want to grow longer hair, you want to grow your hair, make sure you moisturize your hair, okay? Apply water before you start combing your hair. This is my hair 4 days after trimming my hair. See, let me tell you, you see, hair trimming is very, very important. There is no way you want that longer, beautiful hair. You want to grow your hair, you want to be serious with your hair, then you don't trim your hair is not going to grow. So please make sure you always trim the your end hair, the tips of your hair, this end hair, make sure you always trim them out, okay? I know it's somehow some persons will be like, am I going to cut my hair, someone something like. See, let me tell you, you are not just cutting your hair. You see those end hair, they will prevent your hair from growing, okay? So make sure you remove it. As you cut it, your hair will keep growing. So this is my hair 4 days after I trimmed my hair. After I trimmed my hair, after 4 days, I lose the twist, okay? So when you get your DIY product, or even if it's not a DIY product, when you get your product, another reason your hair doesn't grow is because you don't massage your scalp. You don't massage your scalp. So let me tell you, massaging your scalp is very important because it is going to help your hair to grow very well. When you don't massage your scalp, your hair is not going to grow very well. Your hair is not going to be doing well. If you want full, thick, soft, healthy hair, make sure you massage your scalp, okay? Like I'll always say, I'll tell you, you can weave your hair, you can twist your hair, you can make your hair. Just make sure you make your hair. When you are done making your hair, it will make the work very easier for you, okay? So that it will be easy for you to get to your scalp. Then you apply this product, you apply it in your scalp. It's like applying it on the root of your hair, okay? You just go inside the root, go to the scalp, apply it. When you apply this product, you make sure you massage it very well. Use your hands, your fingers, use the tips of your fingers. Make sure you massage it thoroughly, massage it very well. When massaging it, please do not forget to massage your front hair. Make sure you always massage your front hair, your hairlines, the edges of your hair. Make sure you massage it, okay? Then another thing I also do is applying your gel, like your hair product, applying it on your hair, not only the scalp, also apply it on your hair, okay? But the most important thing is the scalp, okay? But also apply it on your hair. When you apply it on your scalp, you massage it and massage it out, okay? Do you understand? You massage it out. See, guys, let me tell you, if you don't moisturize your hair, there is no way your hair is going to grow. Okay, that's why you use product that will moisturize and also grow your hair at the same time. Product that contains sulfur, product that contains fiber, minerals, vitamins that will help to grow your hair. Okay, see, another reason your hair doesn't grow is because you don't take care of it. You don't make your hair. I always tell people, after applying a product on your hair, make sure you make the hair. You can weave the hair back. You can twist the hair. Make sure you make the hair. You don't apply a product and just leave it like that, okay? There are some products when you apply them, you have to cover your hair for 30 minutes. You wait for 30 minutes before you wash it off. When you are done washing it off, please try and make your hair, even if it's in 4 places, okay? Try and make your hair. This will enable your hair to keep growing, okay? Because this is going to, after that, those products you apply, they must have settled, okay? They must have settled very well. They must have settled very well. So now you make the hair, you weave the hair. Now next time you lose it, you see a very huge improvement. You will see changes in the length of the hair. You will see changes in the size, like the fullness of the hair. You're going to see changes. You see that your hair is getting more full, it's getting longer, it's getting fuller, is doing well, and it's also looking healthy at the same time, okay? And see, let me tell you guys, when you use a DIY products on your hair, like a natural product, when you use them, or maybe you also got a very good products, when you use them on your hair, they will also help to darken your hair. Okay, some persons reached out to me and they were like, what should I do so that my hair will darken, my hair is not black in color, these things. Try out this product, this recipe, try it out. Okay, make sure you check the video and try it out, because this recipe is also very good when it comes to darkening your hair. It is going to darken your hair and also moisturize and grow your hair at the same time, because it contains a lot of potent ingredients, like a lot of good ingredients, like active ingredients that are very good when it comes to treating hair issue and growing your hair. Okay, so make sure you apply your DIY products. Make sure you apply them right in your scalp, okay, and massage it. When you apply, you massage it. So besties, please, in as much as you're watching this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please like the video and also subscribe. Okay, join the family. Here on my channel, I talk about how to grow your natural hair. So if you know you want to grow your natural hair, you know you want to take your hair journey to another level, you want to achieve that beautiful long full hair. Who told you that you cannot grow a long hair? Make sure you join this family, okay, because I will be sharing more natural tips, things that you can access in the comfort of your home, like things that you can find around you. I will be sharing more tips on how to use them to grow your hair. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and join the family. My name is Amaka. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, I really do appreciate your time being here. Please make sure you like the video. Okay, so here you see how I'm massaging the hair. You see how I massage my scalp. Now I'm massaging the hair. You see, this is my hair 4 days after trimming the hair. Like I trimmed the hair 4 days ago. So this is my hair. So after you are done, make the hair. Thank you guys. Please join the family.